Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights. Think of your money like a houseplant. If you neglect it, it withers, but with the right care, it flourishes. Just like a plant needs sunlight, water, and nutrients to thrive, your finances require smart management, consistent attention, and strategic growth. The way you nurture your money today determines how strong and resilient it becomes in the future. Want to buy a home, start a business, or retire comfortably? Without a solid financial plan, those dreams can fade, just like an untended plant. But don't worry, in this video, we'll walk you through practical steps to ensure your money grows and prospers. From mastering budgeting to making smart investments, we'll equip you with the tools to cultivate lasting financial success. So, grab your financial watering can and let's dive into the strategies that will help your wealth grow. Because when you take care of your money, it takes care of you. Let's get started. Number 1, understanding the metaphor. When we think of money as a houseplant, it becomes clear that both require consistent attention and care to thrive. Just as a plant needs regular watering, sunlight, and the right environment, your finances need careful management, budgeting, and strategic planning. Neglecting either can lead to stagnation or decline. A wilting plant is a reminder that it's time to reassess its needs, just as a dwindling bank account signals the need for a financial checkup. Watering a plant is akin to budgeting your finances effectively. You wouldn't pour all the water at once and leave it unattended. Instead, you would distribute it evenly over time, ensuring that the plant receives just what it needs. Similarly, budgeting involves allocating your income wisely, making sure that essential expenses are covered, while also setting aside funds for savings and investments. This balanced approach allows your financial plant to grow strong and healthy. Visualizing your financial journey as a growing plant can be incredibly motivating. Picture your savings as roots digging deep into the soil, providing stability and nourishment. Your investments can be seen as branches reaching out, expanding your financial landscape. By nurturing your money with the same dedication you would give to a houseplant, you can cultivate a flourishing financial future. So let's embrace this metaphor and embark on a journey of growth and prosperity together. Number 2, nurturing your finances. Just as a houseplant needs water to thrive, your finances require a solid budgeting technique to ensure growth. Think of budgeting as the essential water that nourishes your financial health. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money's going. Use methods like the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This structured approach helps you allocate your resources effectively, ensuring that your financial plant has the hydration it needs to flourish. Next, consider investment strategies as the sunlight that helps your money grow. Just as plants need sunlight to photosynthesize and produce energy, your finances need to be invested wisely to generate returns. Explore options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Diversifying your investments can provide the necessary light for your money to expand and thrive over time. Lastly, don't forget the importance of regular financial checkups, akin to pruning a plant. Just as pruning encourages healthy growth by removing dead or overgrown branches, reviewing your financial situation helps you identify areas for improvement. Set aside time each month or quarter to assess your budget, track your progress, and adjust your strategies as needed. By nurturing your finances with these actionable tips, you'll create a robust financial ecosystem that can grow and flourish for years to come. Number 3, common pitfalls to avoid. Just as a wilting plant signals neglect, ignoring your finances can lead to serious consequences. When you fail to monitor your financial health, you risk falling into a cycle of debt and missed opportunities. Neglecting your budget can result in overspending and a lack of savings, much like a plant that doesn't receive enough water or sunlight. To ensure your financial growth, it's crucial to stay engaged and proactive in managing your money. One of the most common pitfalls is impulsive spending, which can be likened to overwatering a plant. While it may seem harmless to indulge in spontaneous purchases, this behavior can quickly drain your resources and hinder your financial progress. Just as too much water can drown a plant, excessive spending can lead to financial stress and instability. To combat this, practice mindful spending by creating a list of priorities and sticking to it. This way you can enjoy your purchases without jeopardizing your financial health. Lastly, don't hesitate to seek help when needed, just as you would consult a gardening expert for plant care. Financial management can be complex, and there's no shame in reaching out for guidance. Whether it's a financial advisor, a budgeting app, or even a supportive friend, getting assistance can provide you with the tools and knowledge necessary to avoid common mistakes. By being aware of these pitfalls and taking proactive steps, you can nurture your finances and foster lasting growth. Number 4, creating a financial growth plan. Developing a personalized financial growth plan is essential for nurturing your financial health, much like choosing the right plant for your living space. Start by setting clear financial goals that reflect your aspirations, whether it's saving for a home, funding education, or building an emergency fund. Just as you would select a plant that thrives in your environment, choose goals that are realistic and achievable based on your current financial situation. This clarity will serve as the foundation for your growth plan. Next, tracking your progress regularly is crucial, similar to observing how a plant grows over time. Set aside time each month to review your budget, savings, and investments. This practice allows you to see how far you've come and identify areas that may need more attention. Just as a gardener notes changes in a plant's health, you can adjust your financial strategies based on your progress. Lastly, be prepared to adapt your financial growth plan as circumstances change, just like you would adjust care for a plant based on its needs. Life is unpredictable, and your financial situation may shift due to job changes, unexpected expenses, or new opportunities. Stay flexible and willing to revise your goals and strategies as needed. By creating a dynamic financial growth plan that evolves with your life, you'll be better equipped to cultivate a thriving financial future. Embrace the journey and watch your financial landscape flourish. In this video, we've explored the insightful metaphor of treating money like a houseplant, highlighting how both require nurturing and care for growth. Just as a plant thrives with the right amount of water, sunlight, and attention, your finances flourish when you actively manage them. By setting clear financial goals, budgeting effectively, and investing wisely, you create a solid foundation for your financial health. We've shared actionable tips throughout our discussion, from tracking your expenses to avoiding impulsive spending and regularly reviewing your financial progress. These strategies are essential for cultivating a robust financial landscape that can adapt to life's changes. Remember, just as a gardener adjusts their care based on a plant's needs, you too should be flexible and willing to modify your financial plan as circumstances evolve. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with our community by subscribing, liking, and sharing this content. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable financial wisdom and tips that can empower you on your journey to financial growth. Let's nurture our finances together and create a thriving future. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video, where we'll dive deeper into more strategies for achieving financial success.